Hi everyone, welcome back to our video series on the new digital SAT verbal section. Don't forget to like this video for more content. All right, let's see what we have today. All right, so this question is one of these synthesis questions, or the bullet point questions as we know them. So these are new on the digital version of the exam, but we always want to pay really close attention to the exact question being asked here. So in this case, the student's goal is that they want to compare the lengths of the two rail tunnels, okay? This goal is going to be different for every question, so we always want to make sure we read that first before we look at the bullets. So we know we're talking about the lengths of the two rail tunnels. So let's see what the bullets tell us about that. So we have the Sikan Tunnel is a rail tunnel in Japan. It connects the island of Honshu to the island of Hokkaido. It is roughly 33 miles long. And then we have the Channel Tunnel is a rail tunnel in Europe. It connects these places in England and France, and it's about 31 miles long. So just like what we might predict the answer to be, we can see that the rail tunnels are very similar lengths. So the first one is 33 miles, the second one is 31. So not too different, but maybe the Sikan tunnel is slightly longer than the one in Europe. All right. So then looking at our choices, we know we need to talk about both rail tunnels and the lengths of them. So that should help us do some elimination. So looking at A, some of the world's rail tunnels, including one tunnel that extends from these places, are longer than 30 miles. So this one's not really specific, right? It's not talking about these two rail tunnels specifically. It's just kind of talking about rail tunnels in general. It's true that they're both more than 30 miles long, but still not specific enough to the question. Then we have B, the Sikan tunnel is roughly 33 miles long, while the slightly shorter Channel tunnel is about 31 miles long. This seems to hit it pretty on the nose, right? We have 33 miles, 31 miles, that's accurate to the bullets, and we're talking about both, and we're comparing with the phrase slightly shorter. So B definitely seems like a good option, but let's just double check with our other two choices. So C, we have the Sikan Tunnel, which is roughly 33 miles long, connects the Japanese islands, blah, blah, blah. So this one talks about one tunnel and its length, but not the other, so it can't be that one because it's not doing the comparison. And then D, both tunnels, both the Sikan Tunnel, which is located in Japan, and the Channel Tunnel, which is located in Europe, are examples of rail tunnels. So in this one, we're talking about both tunnels, but not their lengths, not really comparing them. So again, not D. So B is definitely going to be our correct choice. We went through all of our choices. It definitely looks like this one best matches the goal of the student. All right, like this video for more.